Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about this faux bang and this top knot bun, aka the ninja bun. I am beginning with the leave-in conditioner. She is all natural and we have to prepare the hair. We have to straighten first. So let's detangle. Let's get ready for the blowout. And I'm just sectioning the hair off to make it easier to blow it out. Again, detangling. I do apologize for the discoloration. The color goes in and out every time I move. So here I'm blowing the hair out, getting ready to straighten it. And I'm just kind of zooming through this because it's just a blowout. Now I'm sectioning the hair off, flat ironing it straight. And I won't show you all of this because just what you see me doing here, I'm just straightening the hair. I have to straighten the entire head. So whenever you have someone that's natural and they want a style like this style is for straight hair. You have to straighten the entire head first. These are your steps. And of course, I will not show you the entire head, but I am finishing. This is the last piece. And now here you have to comb it up. This is very important because this will be exactly the positioning of the bun, exactly where you want the bun to sit, whether it's in the middle, right on top. And because we're doing the faux bang, I was trying to put it as far on top as I can. She didn't want it like sticking straight up, but we agreed to this. And now I'm taking my Ebony, New York edge control, and smoothing the hair straight. This is the best edge control that I have ever used. It gets hard, it doesn't get greasy, and it lays that hair down. So once I put it on, I'm just smoothing it out. And then because I like the hair extra slick, I am sort of a perfectionist, just a little bit. So I want that hair nice and smooth and straight and hard so it does not move. She wanted to be able to wear this for at least 2 weeks. So once I get it exactly where I want it, I spray it with the Pump It Up and immediately follow it with the blow dryer because she is natural. And when you spray something wet onto the hair, y'all already know it can revert back. So before it gets to that, you have to blow it out. And see what happens when the cameras are on, but no one is in the room? All right, Chloe. And now you want to get it extra hard because what I'm doing here is I'm bonding the bang in. That's why it's called a faux bang, faux bang. And what I do is I don't go straight across. I kind of angle up like a crescent shape so that you don't have that blunt line, because the further you go up, the closer you get to the bun, the size of the tracks that you are cutting and laying gets smaller. So that's why I do that crescent shape going up. It makes it easier to lay the bun down over it also. So we're getting to the last, and I think I put like 4 or 5 tracks. She wanted it to be full, but she didn't want a super thick bang. So I think this is the last one, and all I'm doing, I'm using regular pre-stretch Kanekalon hair, tying it on with the rubber band. And I had put the hair in a knot, not realizing that it will blend easier if all the hair is loose. So I'm taking it apart right here and just blending her hair in with the braid hair. And there is no right or wrong way to do this bun. You just twist and wrap. You put it how high you want. You make it how thick you want. And this is exactly the size that she wanted. She wanted it high enough, but not extremely high. And she didn't want it super low. So just wrap it around. And as I'm wrapping, I'm kind of tucking it between to make it go a little bit higher tucking it underneath, I'm sorry, to go higher. And once I finish that off, I tuck it and then I secure it with hairpins. Once it's secured, I asked her the length where she wanted the bang to hit. And I'm using a straight razor, and I'm sorry that I was just all in the frame and you didn't really get to see how I cut the bang. But she wanted the bang short in the center and kind of coming around where it hangs a little bit longer on the sides. And for those that don't know, this is my daughter, my middle girl. And now I'm just flat ironing the bang. And she was so adamant about it not being curled all the way. She just wanted it to be kind of bumped and straight. Now getting to the last piece. And voila. Here you go, slaying your faux bang and your top knot ninja bun. And look how smooth that hair is. Yes. And we are out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, click your bell, and see you in the next video.